Hi, I'm Ernesto Ancira. You know, sometimes the most difficult problem to face is not knowing where to turn for help. The 211 Texas United Way helpline is now providing community resource referrals, especially for members of the military who have served in Iraq and Afghanistan and their families. Let's take a look.
So many families are facing tough economic times in our community, and 211 has resources available to help them deal with the stresses in their families. We did a lot of outreach and work with military organizations and communities, and when we had an opportunity to develop a program that would support military members returning from Iraq and Afghanistan, we really were so excited and we just jumped on that opportunity.
I think the caller, the military family or the service member, is so grateful that they're called into 211 and gotten a military call specialist. Because a lot of times they don't even know that their service is available, but through our screening process, we'll be able to identify them, and then we're able to get the help that they need.
These services range from financial assistance for rent, utilities, car repairs, and a variety of other needs that families might have, free counseling, and child care, formula, a variety of things depending on the family's needs.
When the caller first calls us, what we do is we try to identify what their immediate need is. We build a rapport with them, and sometimes they could sound a little bit desperate at first and kind of really concerned about their situation, but in building the rapport with the caller, and after we give them referrals and we assure them that we're going to follow up with them to see if their need is met, they're really happy about that. They're really excited that we care that much about them to follow up with them.
We've helped approximately totally 2,000 families between the phone calls and our website, and we get lots of positive feedback because the services are quick to access and the families enjoy the confidentiality that they feel they need.
You know, serving our country is really something that's dear to me because my husband served in the Marine Corps for 22 years. So I really count it a privilege to be here and to help with the military families and their service members. So linking them to services that they're not aware of is a real eye-opener for them, but it brings a lot of gratitude to myself. I think it's really important to support the United Way because it's a program that helps anybody in the community, and it doesn't discriminate. It doesn't matter what your race is, your age, your economic status. We don't discriminate that way. Anybody can call 211 and get referrals for the needs that they have.
You know, 211 is one of the best kept secrets in our community. It's probably the most comprehensive way to reach everybody who is in need of some service. You can call 211 and they will immediately put you together with an agency that can help you regardless of what your need is, whether it has to do with health, financial, or otherwise. It's important that all of us realize that Texas, San Antonio's are really our family, and that we need to sit and help United Way in any way that we possibly can so that we can help those who can't help themselves.